guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camry. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and let's just get right into the video. So I'm starting off with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer, and I'm just putting that all over my face. Then I am going to go in with a concealer before my foundation, just for a little bit extra coverage, because I had bags under my eyes real bad, which I always do, but like they was real bad today, so I had to do this. Recently, I've been loving to leave my concealer on for like 2 to 3 minutes just so it can build more coverage. So when I blend it out, it's kind of like not moving around too much because it's kind of dry. But I don't let it dry too much, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to go in with the foundation. Again, from Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Matte one. It's not the hydrating one. And this is in 310. And I'm just going to take this on my Juvia's Place foundation brush, and I'm going to put it all over. I really hate getting makeup in my edges, y'all. Like, that is a pet peeve. But next, I am going to get the foundation I just used, so the Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe 508 brush, and I'm just going to clean up the top of my brows. This is how I make my brows look flawless, look like they're Instagram brows, like... This is the major key, and I always do it with the foundation so it blends in with my skin and not with the concealer, because I don't really want it to be highlighted at the top. If you like that, to each his own. It is what it is, but I personally like doing it with the foundation. I'm going with the same concealer from Fenty Beauty in 310, and I'm going to go under my eyes. And again, I am going to let this concealer sit on my skin for 2 to 3 minutes just so it builds up more coverage. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Chocolate, and I'm just going to do my contour, my cream contour with this. And honestly, y'all, if y'all have not tried this concealer, which I was one who didn't try it because their shades are a little off and they don't have that many shades in this, but I had to just make it work. But when I finally did use this is really a dupe for Shape Tape. Like, I really, really, really love this concealer. So a lot of people on Instagram have been asking me to do a video on how to contour and stuff. So if that's something y'all want to see, let me know below, and I'll definitely like film a detailed video, like step by step of why I do this, how I do this, and all that. But for now, let's just speed on through this. Notice I am just letting the concealer sit on my face while I do this part, because I want it to be as much coverage as I can. But y'all, again, if you are doing this, please make sure you don't let it dry out too much, because it's going to be very, very, very hard to blend it out. Like, you just got to know your timing. Now I'm just blending this out with my damp beauty blender, and I make sure that I'm kind of like patting it in place, not really like moving it around too much, because if you pat it in place and leave it where it's at, you're going to get the most coverage out of it. And I am going to go in and start blending everything together. I'm adding a little bit more concealer on the side and on the tip of my nose, just to clean up the contour a little bit. I'm taking the bottom of my beauty blender and I'm just blending the contour and the highlight in together, so everything blends out seamlessly and it looks airbrushed. Taking my banana powder, also from Fenty Beauty, which y'all know I love this one. I use this every day. And I'm just going to pat it into my under eyes. I'm not really trying to bake it. I'm just trying to make sure everything stays in place. So I'm just patting it into it. And then I'm going to put it on my nose, my forehead, and I'm going to go down the side of my contour, which I did fix this in y'all, because I know it looking kind of crazy right now. I did fix it. I'm taking this dark blue shade that I use on the eyes, and y'all, this was a collab look, so I didn't record the eyes. I'm so sorry, but you can check out how the collab looked on my Instagram. So this is my first time using this bronzer, y'all, and I kind of went a little OD, so I also had to go back and fix this before I took pictures. So Just warning, this shit is super pigmented. I think this blush was like $3 at Walmart, but this is like my go-to blush right now. I really love this blush. Like, go check it out. It's almost over, y'all. I promise. Just stick with me. I using the under eye bullet brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna dust away all this powder and get my life, basically. I'm just about to get my life. To set my face today, I'm going to be using the NYX Bear With Me Setting Mist. So I got this highlighter on the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale for half off, and I am in love with this. So I always take it on my finger and go on my nose, just because when I do it with a brush, it's too extra. Like, I can control it with my finger. At this moment is when I start feeling like I'm a bad bitch. Like, this is the moment when I put this highlighter on, everything start coming together, and you just like, yes, bitch, you just did that. So like I said before, this was a collab look. We did the Disney princesses, and I chose Cinderella as my inspiration. So if you do want to check that out, please go to my Instagram. And if you ever want to do a collab or anything, DM me, because I'm so down for this. This was so fun. Like, y'all let me know. Make sure that you take time to get your mascara and blend your real lashes with your other lashes, even if you did mascara before, just to make sure everything looks together. Because like, I have pictures where I can see that I didn't do that, and you can tell where my real lash is and my other lash is. So if you follow me, you have seen this combo before. This is my favorite new lip combo. It's the NYX Maison liner and then the Morphe Flower Crown lip gloss, and it's just my go-to nude. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you do subscribe it, like it, comment, and make sure you follow me on IG. And you guys, I know this is like awkward and whatever, but just stick with me. I'm getting used to it, and I am going to definitely start being more consistent. So if you like this, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video.